Good day everyone. Today we're going to talk about something very important in language, and that is what we call semantics. So if you are familiar with it, that's better, but if you don't have any idea, don't worry because I will going to explain it to you. Okay, so semantics is basically the study of meaning. Kung paano natin naiintindihan ang kahulugan ng mga salita or phrases or even sentences. So lahat tayo gumagamit ng wika. But have you ever wondered bakit minsan ang isang salita ay pwedeng magkaroon ng iba't ibang kahulugan? Halimbawa, pag sinabi natin puso, okay, so ano yung naiisip natin? Okay, so maaaring tumutukoy ito sa organ sa katawan natin, but it could also mean or it could also symbolize love. Okay? So this is an example of how a word can have both literal and symbolic meaning. Yung literal na kahulugan, tinatawag natin ito as denotation. Ito yung mga meaning na makikita natin sa dictionary. On the other hand, kapag sinabi natin symbolic or emotional meaning, we can call this as connotation. Pwede ito magbago depende sa experiences or it depends on the context. So let's take another example. Kapag sinabi nating bahay, ano yung naiisip ninyo? So literally, ang bahay ay isang physical structure. So it's denotation. Okay? Pero kapag sinabi natin na ang bahay ang kanlungan ng pamilya, ito ay symbolic meaning or connotation. Ibig sabihin, ang bahay hindi lang isang istruktura, kundi lugar kung saan safe tayo. Okay? So in semantics, we also study the polysemy. Ito yung mga salita na may iba't ibang kahulugan pero iisa lang ang spelling. So dito makikita natin how context affects meaning. So in conclusion, semantics teaches us how to analyze meanings and understand language better. Mas magiging aware tayo na hindi lang iisa ang pwedeng maging ibig sabihin ng mga salita. So my advice to you is be careful on how are you going to use words, phrases, or even sentences, especially when the context or the situation is sensitive. Kasi ang isang salita pwedeng magkaroon ng iba't ibang meaning. Okay? So, to summarize, isa-isahin natin yung tatlo. Denotation is the literal meaning. Ito yung makikita natin sa dictionary. Okay? Connotation, it's the emotional or symbolic meaning. And lastly, when we say polysemy, it's when a word have multiple meanings depending on the context. So yan lang muna. I hope you understand, but if you have a lot of questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Okay, so thank you so much, and always remember, take it easy, buddy.